Now this bok choy is in a raised garden bed. It was direct sown from seeds. I didn't thin it out really much. So it is a tiny bit of space in between each bok choy plant, but they could have maybe have grown a little bigger if I had gave them a little space on each side of the plants. But they did still continue to grow well. They have some very thick stems on them still, even though they were a little crowded. And here's another section of bok choy that I have that I'll probably be planting some into the side of the raised bed right here. So let's get the tray ready. An easy way to pluck these would be to start at the bottom of the plant. And this is the way that you can keep harvesting your bok choy. You're just going to take your stem, pull it down, and twist it off. You can cut these if you want to. Just be sure that you cut all the way down at the base of the stem as far as you can with your scissors or clippers. Look at the stem on this piece of bok choy leaf. So I already started the bottom of your plant. Just pull and twist. Here's an example one right here of a plant that I already picked the bottom leaves off of. That's the bottom. It's a very thick stem. Just go ahead and get this little piece out the way. And just keep continuing to reach down in there and pull and twist. Pull down, twist. If you notice, sometimes when you go to the grocery store, they do have the whole plant cut off from the base. I don't like to do that because I do want for my bok choy to keep continuing to grow. So there's a reason that I'm not gonna chop a whole plant off at the base, so that I can still maybe get another batch of 2 leaves off of this plant before it bolts. Yeah, here's what I have so far from picking. It's a good amount of bok choy. So just continue pulling down and snapping those off. And some of these are falling over a little bit. Maybe should have added a little more dirt on the base of some of these, but it is what it is now. If you want, when you pick your bok choy, you can concentrate on one plant and pick all the leaves from one plant at a time. But as you can see, I may get one leaf from this side, and then I'll jump over to this plant and get another leaf. That's just how I pick things in my garden. So it's a little bit chaotic. Sometimes I pick things a little bit out of order in my garden. But guess what? It doesn't matter as long as you get the goods. These are some lovely bok choy leaves. They do have a little bit of holes in some of these, but I still have plenty. There's plenty of leaf here that I can cut around and cut out those holes. And so I'm very thankful that I was able to get this much bok choy from this harvest.